Hi everyone. So today we are just going to learn about command line arguments. So the basically arguments which are passing from the command prompt or from the CLI. So here you can see this screen. This is known as CLI, command line interface. So while we used to run our script, and after the script if we pass any argument, so what I mean by that, like how I run my script. So shell name, then file name. After that, if I pass for example a b c d, so these arguments are known as command line arguments. So basically why we use these arguments or this feature, like if we want to customize the behavior of our script, in that case we can use command line arguments. So how we can access these arguments in our script, let me show you. Okay, so this was my script which I just created in the last video. So let me remove this line, and what I want, var 12, this is the name of variable, and what I want, like I just want to know about total number of arguments which are passing from the command prompt to our script. I just want to know how many arguments we have. So for this we have special symbol $hash. It will tell you number of arguments. So here let me customize number of argument. Okay, so now what I will do, if I run this shell name, file name, and then 4 arguments I am passing a b c d. So here you can see number of arg. This thing I just write manually, but here instead of $hash, what you can see, 4 means $hash will print number of argument which we passed through CLI. So this was the one of way. Now if you want to access this one a, then we have to use $1. For b we have to use $2. For c we have to use $3, and so on. Okay, so let me show you what I want. I just want to access the first argument. So let me remove this string from here. And let me run this. So instead of ABC, let me type first, then second, then third. Okay, so now if I type enter, so here you can see first. So what I pass in echo, I just pass $1. So $1 means first. What if I write $2 there? So just let me write $2. So here you can see in this case second will be print. Okay, so this is the way like how you can access the command line arguments. Okay, so my requirement is like I just want to access all the arguments at the same time. So for that we have two options. First one is $@. Now if I run my script, you can see first, second, third. I just passed 3 arguments. All the argument will be printed here. So instead of $@, if I use $, same output. Okay, so if same output is there, so why we create two things like $* and $@? Basically by default, there is a difference between the both. So by default, dollar at the rate, what dollar at the rate do? So this is one string, this is two string, or this is third string, means this is $1, $2, and $3. This is how it is printed. But in the case of dollar star, this whole will be treated as one string, and we have a internal field separator here. So by default, field separator we have is space. So we can change that. If our requirement is we want to put underscore here, okay? So how we can do that? So let me show you. So we have a keyword ifs, internal field separator. So I just want to set it to underscore. Now if I run, then you can see this time this is our field separator. I hope you can see it, or let me just edit it with the hyphen. So this was like a difference between dollar at the rate and dollar star. Now I think it is more visible. So here you can see hyphen. Okay, so this was the basic difference. So this is the way like how you can access the command line argument and how you can pass. So I hope you understand this topic. So that's all in this video. We will do some demo on this concept later on. First I just want to tell you some more concept, then we will do some programs for the practice purpose. So that's all for this video. Till then, bye bye, take care.